Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to get free unlimited storage on Google Photos. To get unlimited storage for photos, you need a rooted device. You have to unlock your bootloader first, then flash Magisk. There are a bunch of tutorials about unlocking bootloaders on YouTube. First of all, download the Magisk module from the link in the description. Then open Magisk app on your device. On the right below corner, press module, then select from storage. Select the module you downloaded. It will start flashing. After flashing, reboot your device and enjoy. Now we will check if the module works or not. To check the module, open Magisk again, go to Modules. If it flashed properly, you'll see it in the list. Now open Google Photos, go to top right corner where your email ID appears with an icon or photo, click on it. If the module works properly, you will see the storage of your account. You will also notice this pixel can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. Enjoy!